Got the serviced vintage 1951 Singer model 1591. Serial number is JC328580. It has the blue 100-year Centennial or Century badge on it. The machine's in good condition, has a little shine. There is some mild wear, but it's been completely rewired. And it's in very good working order. The light works, passes the tap test. It's been rewired to the motor, new wires to the pedal, and the light. Basically, I've got 6 layers of denim here, which have been stitched once for a photo in the ad. And just to show you how well it stitches. Oops. Slow speeds, fast speeds. Forward and reverse. Sorry, my stitch lines aren't that good. I'm kind of bending over. And there you can see there's no broken threads, no skip stitches. Next, I've got 4 layers of a thin, what is like medium type leather. This is from a jacket. It's typically found on pants, jackets, purses, skirts. You'll probably be able to see the stitch better on this. Even the pedal's been taken apart and electrically cleaned inside, so it's got smooth speed control. Let's get autofocus. There you can see, and of course I ran over all the rear threads. Pull these through. A little hard to see the red thread on the back, but you can see from the front that there's no skip stitches. And there you have it.